Hi viewers, welcome to the Fast Profits daily video series. Myself Rijesh Bhatia here, research analyst at Equity Master. So in this video, we'll be covering the hot topic, is Nifty forming the top? Many of them would be thinking that how much the rally could last. So I guess there is no such rule that how much the rally can last, and it can see an higher levels as well. But there are some technical stuffs which is indicating that momentum could be a pause. The bulls seems to be tiring. Why? So if you look at the screen, the first chart is monthly chart of Nifty, and if you look at the vertical lines on your screen, they are the month end, which is the December, and from the next bars, it start the January. And if you look at the whole last 10 years, for the decade of historic moves, Nifty generally forms bottom or top or the reversal move in January and February. Why I'm highlighting this is because even if you look at the December month, it was a fantastic month for bulls. Even the start of the Jan, so we are nearly 1 week down into the Jan, and it's still trending on a bullish momentum. Now, if you look at the whole chart, out of 10, 8 times Nifty has seen a strong reversal coming in January and February. There was just 1 month that 1 year where the markets were consolidating, but if you look at the Jan and Feb, again it was a start of the momentum. So the point here highlight is January, February stands out to be a strong contender for reversals rather than continuation. So what does this mean? That if this is the bullish momentum continuing, bears might come back strongly between January and February. So this is the monthly historic move which I am talking about. Now just let go down one move to weekly charts. So if you look at the weekly chart right from 2010 to 2020, again a 10 years data which I am taking out, and if you look at the blue line, red line on the screen, the vertical, the rising trend line, the red one, it's taking markets are taking resistance right at the peak of the red lines. So if what I've done is I've connected the close, the higher closes right from 2010, 2015, 2018, and right at 2021 now, where markets are resisting around these levels. And if you look at the lower panel of that, it is called MACD, which is moving average conversion divergence. And if you look at those averages, they are trending at highest level of the decade, and we haven't seen such levels in last 10-15 years. And this is the extreme move which has seen into the Nifty, and the bulls are very much stronger. But if you look at these averages, at some point of time, this average has to converge. We are witnessing divergence from the integer line, and they has to some point of time, this law of gravity, which goes higher, has to come to the mean. And we think that this could be the indications that if you look at the resistance at the rising trend plus the MACD, both are indications that the momentum could be fatigue. Now let me go to the lower time frame one. And in case if you look at the chart on the daily, the two bands which are going into the green line, and which is the middle line is the brown line, which is the average, and this is known as Bollinger Band. So what does this do is, if you look at the average of 20 days, it takes 2 standard deviation higher, 2 standard deviation lower. And how to read this? If you look at the prices are testing the upper band, which is the upper green line, which is the positive 2 deviation from the average. And if you look at the prices are resisting around those levels. Now, if you look at the candlesticks, the body between the close and open, if you look at the momentum, it is showing some sign of fatigue, which means that the difference between close and open, it's narrowing down. And if you look at the last couple of days of momentum, even the bulls tried on Tuesday to get a momentum, but Wednesday and Thursday the bears attack was slightly on a stronger side, which means that indication of bulls are tiring. So that's it. If you look at the momentum, it's being seen, seems that above 14,000 to 14,200, it seems that bulls are tiring to cross the new highs. And remember, even if you look at the highs previously when Nifty has made the new highs, we have seen highs between the round figure of to 200. So which means that 9119, if you look at it, 12,000, somewhere around 200. The previous were around 6,300. So such highs are generally when markets move the key psychological level and just goes 100 200 points higher, and then we might see the reversal. So I think if history repeats, we might see a reversal. So at current point of time, even if you look at the RSI on the lower panel, this is the blue line, and it is indicating a negative divergence. So what does this negative divergence means? If you look at the price are hitting higher highs, okay, price is gone from 13,800 to 14,000, 14,000 to 14,200. But at the same time, the RSI, which is generally known as relative strength index, and it is for me it is a stamina of a momentum. So in case a stamina, if you don't have stamina to move higher, at some point of time you will get tired and tend to reverse. So it is an indication that the bulls are now tiring. RSI is giving a negative dimension, which means that it is losing its stamina as well. So this is a third or fourth sign for me that the bulls are tiring. Now, if we look at the moves slightly left, the Bollinger Band which has tested, which I have done the exhaustion sign, the arrow, and if you look at the similar structure was there, and we have seen a huge downside right from 13,800 to I guess 13,200, 155 was the low. The similar structure has formed, and it is a sign that bulls should remain cautious. Time to look some booking of the profits. And the recent momentum, the large caps have seen some of the unwindings into the derivative space. So in case you haven't subscribed to our Telegram channel where I daily post about the OI building up, the long unwinding, long build up, short build ups, do subscribe to our Equity Master Telegram channel. You will get daily updates over there on OI positions, Nifty closing, mid cap, small cap. So subscribe to our Telegram channel so that you receive such kind of derivatives update regularly. Coming on to the charts again, this is indicating me that something is fishy now for bulls, at least in case you have to book some profits at some point of time. So I would not say the book the whole profits, but at least 10-15% profit booking could be expected. And once the 14,000 level breach is on the downside, I think the momentum for bears could be slightly on a aggressive side. Bears might accelerate their momentum, and we might see again the lower band, middle band of the Bollinger Band, which is currently traded around I guess 13,760, 750 levels. So there could be the momentum could be expected downtick by bears. So just keep a watch on this. So also we have released a trading for living video series. In that I have discussed my chart parameters which I generally follow, my 3 chart screen where I do the top down approach, and this is the one which I have shown coming from monthly chart to weekly to daily. So also watch that video, and in case you like our videos, do subscribe to our channel, do comment so that we will come up with such kind of more videos for you all and keep you updated on the markets. Thank you. Signing off, Brijesh Bhatia. Do not forget to subscribe to my email newsletters, Fast Profits Daily, and get a free guide on how to trade markets like pro. Thank you.